The beginning price of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 remains at $1,999, the same as the Z Fold 7, according to a recent leak. Samsung is charging significantly more than it did a year ago if you want more storage. Samsung is preparing to release the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And this is what we're looking at based on leaks from the Galaxy. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7's beginning price of $1,999 is anticipated for the base model with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The top variant of the Fold 8, which has 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, can cost up to $2,499, while the 512GB version might cost roughly $2,199. Compare it to the Fold 7 from the previous year. The 1TB model cost $2,419, while the 512GB model cost $2,199. Samsung may be raising the price of upgrades while maintaining the same pricing for the base model. Growing production costs could be one explanation. At $1,999, the base model can still be an excellent value if you don't want a lot of room. These leaks give us a decent idea of what to anticipate from Samsung's next foldable phone, even though nothing is official yet. In order to prevent overheating, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor has vapor chamber cooling. With appropriate heat management, that is flagship-level performance. Both the 6.5-inch cover screen and the 8-inch main display include dynamic AMOLED displays that operate at 120 Hz. For longevity, Samsung uses a laser-drilled display metal support plate in addition to dual-layer ultra-thin ultra-glass, or UTG. A significant update is being made to cameras. We are discussing a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 200-megapixel primary camera with an enormous 1.13-inch sensor. With 45-watt charging, the battery has 5,000 mAh. RAM and storage choices: 12GB or 16GB combined with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of storage. Samsung asserts that the Z Fold 8 will be lighter and thinner than earlier iterations in spite of all these improvements.